Firsts are always significant. It's part of collecting, right? But whenever we get the branches of the U.S. military sponsoring a product or authorizing a product, it just gives it an extra kick. Tonight, our first presentation with this brand new colorized, wow, take a peek. The U.S. Army, as I referenced, these are officially licensed by the U.S. Army. They're 1-ounce rounds. One of them is in the shape of a bar on the left. The other is the shape of a silver round on the right. They are identical size and weight. I know we all like one versus the other. Maybe we like both. They are pure silver, 0.999. But they are colorized with the logo of the Army on the obverse of the piece. We'll show you the reverse in a second. They also come in this beautiful, beautiful presentation holder. The price you're seeing? Yeah, that's the price. Where our competition is $69 to $79, we're at $59.95 this evening. Both the obverse and the reverse have a design element. The obverse is colorized. The reverse is a standard look and feel, going back to the establishment of the U.S. Army, back with the Continental Army, which goes back quite a ways, established in 1775. Now, the proceeds on this officially licensed product go to the U.S. Army Veterans Relief Fund, which is a wonderful thing on the side. Many, many, many people have family members that have served and or are currently serving in the armed services, Army being one of the largest of the branches. And this is just a great tribute. Now, we're hoping this series continues. From what we understand, it will with the other branches as we progress throughout the year. But we start with the first. And again, the first branch was the U.S. Army, the Continental Army during the American Revolutionary War. Today, it's one of the most formidable fighting forces in the entire world. Here's a fun fact. If I had to ask you how many U.S. presidents served in the military, actually the Army and or an Army Reserve unit, over the last 250 years, would you say 20 is over or under? The actual number, and I was surprised by this when they threw this at me earlier, it's 24 U.S. presidents that actually served in the Army or the Army Reserve at one point in their lives. So again, we have a 0.999 fine silver. We have officially licensed, as it references on the packaging itself, which gives the right then obviously to use the actual U.S. Army logo, not a rendition thereof. It's colorized on the obverse, whether it's the ingot and or the 1-ounce round. Then you get the beautiful silhouette of soldiers in the field alongside the 1-ounce silver established in 1775 on the other side. As referenced, $69.79. And we are, like always, doing our best to make sure we not only bring the best products out to you, we also bring you the sharpest price possible. But it's a very simple and clean design. And with Silver Eagles being crazy these days, we're always looking for alternatives for putting silver away. Nothing wrong with that. I mean, with the shortage of 2023 Silver Eagles we're currently experiencing, which has premiums at an all-time high, which means the premium to get the coin above silver from the U.S. Mint through the distributorship is at all-time highs, which is the reason why our competition now has their regular 1-ounce Silver Eagles at $59, $69 for a coin in a capsule. We like to look for other alternatives. And is there a better alternative than that of supporting the U.S. Army, officially licensed, with the proceeds going, or a portion of the proceeds, I should say, going to the relief fund itself? Just a wonderful opportunity. So as referenced, we believe we're going to be continuing this throughout the rest of the year with the other branches of service. So collect them all, but get the first, which is the U.S. Army all the way. Guys, we got to put a 1-minute clock up on this one. Lots of activity. Thank you for that. avccoins.com, the place to be. The place to be when the phones get real busy. And right now, they're a bit busy. We love silver. We love talking about silver, and whenever we can find the uniqueness in the marketplace, we're going to bring it out, whether it's US, 90% silver, 40% silver, proof or uncirculated. But this is a first ever, and that is a U.S. Army officially licensed ingot and or round, colorized on one side, beautiful frosting on the reverse, celebrating our oldest branch of service going back to the Continental Army during the American Revolutionary War. This will defend, obviously, the mantra of the Army. And our pricing tonight, yeah, $10 to $20 under our competition where you're looking at them to shop from. So again, as you can see, both of these come in this beautiful gift card. Little write-up on the Army on the upper right-hand side of both on the reverse. And when you flip it over, you see that beautiful Army logo. Something special. Join us, everybody. You're going to love it.